thoughts in my mind, I can't get them out. No matter how hard I try, I need you and your heart next to mine. Yeah.
So guys, I'm leaving. Oh, finally. Guys, it's not easy to travel though, seriously. As in this travel I started preparing since how many days? It was as if it was even today I started the whole preparation. Oh god, this thing is so noisy. Can you guys hear me? This my echo lag is so noisy. I just like the portability. So guys, I'm gonna get to city center, then to the train station where I'll be boarding. Jeez, I'm super excited. Guys, what do you think of my dressing? What do you think of? You guys should not mind me, but seriously, what do you think of my dressing? Am I not looking fine? Am I not looking fine?
Say what you wanna say to me now.
Hi fam, just a brief introduction. My name is Chidimma Ike. If you're new on this channel, please, you're very much welcome. Feel free, and to my ever returning subscribers, my real G's, you know how we do these things. Welcome back. Guys, as you can see, I am super excited. Today is the D-Day. I'm going to the train station to catch my train. Guys, finally, it's today, so let's go. I'm going to the bus stop because I'm going to take a bus to the train station. I have like 1 hour to the departure time. I'm just so excited to travel out of Birmingham. Guys, if you understand that feeling, like ever since I came into this country, I've not left Birmingham. Like it has been work. This is my first annual leave and I'm traveling out of Birmingham. Okay, Melody was even telling me how boring it's gonna be in Stoke-on-Trent, but who cares? Your baby girl don't care. The only thing I care about now is that I'm leaving Birmingham.
Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high. I've been high.
So this is how the environment looks like. We have booths here. This is city center. So this is Bull Ring. You can see that. This is Deborahams, you guys, and TK Maxx is over there, and here is the train station. Guys, this is the train station in Birmingham. Just check it out. Check it out, guys. Just check it out. Just give it up already. What do you think? Okay, so I'll be going in now. I think I should take some pictures here, and I usually like this. Guys, look at me. Look at me. Guys, can you see me? Can you see me? That is me, guys. That is me. So this is the structure. This is it. Woo. So I'll be going in now, but before then, just permit me to take a few pictures. I think it's a little bit dark here. I don't know why, but I'm struggling. Okay, so guys, we are
walking to pieces I fall. When I collect myself, you better run like hell. Stuck in the flames of my soul. And when I'm out of myself, you better pray for help. Welcome to my evolution. Leveling up, leveling up. Welcome to my evolution. Leveling up, leveling up.
I'm traveling to Stoke-on-Trent.
Okay, what time's your train? 57?
I'm looking for my
10:57, there's one at number 7 at 10:57.
No, my time is not 10:57.
What's your time then? You tell me.
My time is
22? 11:22?
Yes.
And
How did
4C. Oh, bloody good, that's why. Platform 4C, my love. Run that way, red zone, 4C.
Red zone 4C.
4C, 11:22.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm definitely going. I'm going to go.
So guys, I'm actually early for my train. So what I'm going to do, let's do a little tour of this station. Let's see what happens here. So here is a shopping mall here. There are so many ATM bank. I think I should withdraw money. Yeah, because I really don't have so much cash with me here. So these are the ticket place, and we have their staff here. They're always standing here just to assist anyone that needs help. And there's another staff there that also assists. That was the one I met yesterday. Like, no, not him exactly, but when I came here yesterday, I met somebody there, and that was the person I asked, like, what is happening, what do I do, and all that. So I really don't know what happened. Okay, yeah, they sell food, drink, and all that. So there are some sweets here. Guys, just take a look. How did I sell this? Let's see, guys. I don't think I can eat this one. It doesn't look edible. Does it? Is it edible? I really don't know. I really don't think it's something I should try. Alright, guys. Believe me when I say that we are just getting started. You know, you haven't seen anything yet. But then we need to conclude this particular vlog here, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Like, you don't want to miss what we are going to be seeing on the underground floor. So guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do. Remember to like, give this video a very big thumbs up if you enjoy watching, share this video. If you have any comment, drop them in the comment section and we'll all meet there. You understand? And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next vlog. Make sure you don't miss out. Bye.